Every once in a while when you're out driving around, I had to do a detour around something, and I wound up driving past something that looked awful familiar. Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly what that is. But first, it's occupied people's imagination for years. It's occupied dreams, nightmares. It's fueled stories. It's fueled haunted investigations. I'm not going anywhere near it because there's a police nanny cam right up there that if you're on the wrong side of the street or you get too close to the fence, it tells you to back away or they're going to call the police. I don't need that. Besides, if anything's going on inside over here, I don't think the police are going to help. I don't think they have a unit for that. So, I know everybody else has lots of favorite phrasing for when they cut to the chase, but, you know, the Blue Monster, it's famous in its own right. Well, at least in my mind. Okay, enough of the suspense. You've waited long enough, and thank you for waiting. I do appreciate it. Please hit the like and subscribe, and write into your comments your favorite moments, your favorite movies, your favorite TV, because this is the old Cottonwood paper mill. You've seen it. You know what it is. I didn't know where it was. And here it is. I drove by it entirely by accident last week and didn't have time to come back and have a little chat about it. So, I'm having a little chat about it. I went by it the other day in the old Super Crew, and I came in today, even though it's a Monday. I don't normally do that. I'd made arrangements with a gentleman to purchase a soft tonneau cover for my Gladiator. I'm going to, hopefully that'll bring up my mileage a little bit and hide stuff from view, I guess, a little bit. It's soft. It's not like it's going to stop anybody if they're really intent on causing harm. Anyway, long story short, like I said, there's the entrance to Cottonwood Canyon, ski resorts, all that. I love living in the Outer Mountain West. I love the mountains. I love some of the weird things you run across too. Doesn't get much weirder than the old Cottonwood paper mill. I almost said sawmill. Hey, wait. Was it in the movie Saw? No. No, no. It was not. Not that I know of. Anyway. It's Monday. It's late. I need to get home. And I got to feed the dog. So the old Blue Monster and I hanging out at the old Cottonwood paper mill, and we're out of here because it's going to be dark soon, and I don't want to know what comes out of there at night. Because, like I said, I'm pretty sure the cops ain't going to handle what comes out of there. Any of my friends know something about it? Let me know. We'll come back and we'll talk about it sometime if you want. But I ain't going inside. Nope. Because this old boy, I don't run like I used to, so I'm kind of chicken. Well, that's enough of my gabbing. Y'all be good to yourselves, be good to each other. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with others. I love you. And got to make sure nothing's around me. I got to get out of here. Roger out.